am maths teacher. Student, we have started our new chapter decimal yesterday and we have discussed about decimal, what is decimal and what is whole part, what is decimal part. Now today we just discuss new 4 points. So let us start. Yes, chapter 6 decimal part 2. Place value of decimal places. Yes student, how we find out the place value of decimal places? See the number 243 decimal 156. It is our whole part and it is our decimal part. Now the place value of 2. See, it is ones, it is tens and it is 100. So the place value of 2 is 200. 4 is 40. 3 is 3. It is ones place, so it is 3. It is tens place, 40, and 2 is in 100 place, so it is 200. Now decimal part, place value of decimal part. Student, it is our 10th place. It is our 100th place and it is our 1000th. 10th, TENTHS. So you will put every time S. 10th, 100, 1000. So place value of 1 is 1/10th. Place value of 5 is 5/100th. Place value of 6 is 6/1000. So we can find out place value of any number by using ones, tens, 100 and 10, 100 and 1000. Now our second point is like and unlike decimal. What is like decimal? Decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like fraction. Student, as you know, it is our decimal place and it is our whole number. So if our decimal place means after the point, how many digits are here? 1, 2, here 1, 2, here 1, 2. So decimal place is every time same. 2 here, 2 digit, 2 digit. So it is like fraction. In unlike decimal, decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. So in our unlike decimal, this is our decimal place, it is different. See here, it is 1 digit, here 2 digit, here 3 digit. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Every time different. Our decimal part is different. So it is unlike decimal. Now how we compare decimal number? See, I have two number. 23 point decimal 561 or 32 decimal 651. So student, when we check the decimal number, first we check our whole part. It is our whole part 23 and 32. Now our whole part is greater than, this is 32 is greater and 23 is less than 32. So 32 is greater than 23. So this number is greater than this number. If our whole part is different, we will not move to decimal part. Okay. Now in next example, my number is 12.697 and second number is 12.697. In these number, our whole part, see here, whole part is same, 12. So no need to compare whole part, they are same. Now we will move to decimal part. Decimal part 6, see here 6, same. Here 9 and here 7. So 9 is greater than 7. So this number is greater than this number. See here, this number is greater than this number. Now next point is expanded form of decimal numbers. Student, We can expand decimal number in 3 ways: place value form, decimal form and fractional form. Place value form, decimal form and fractional form. See, my number is 2.325. Now place value form, 2 is 2 ones, 3 tenth, 2 hundredths I told you, and last one is thousand, so 5,000. It is our place value form. When we expand our number in decimal form, that time see how we expand. It is 2 will be same. Now 3, 0.3. Now 2 is in 100th place, so we will put first 0 and 2 in 100th place. Now 5 in 1000th place, so we will put 2 zeros and 5 in 10th place. It is decimal form. Now last one is fractional form. Fractional form means 2 will be same plus 3 tenth, 2 hundredth, 5,000. It is fractional form. Fractional form means numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. These are the 3 form of in this with the help of 3 method we can expand decimal numbers. Student, it is enough for today. Yes, student, learn all these points and it is your homework. Good day.